Hi guys, Harry here from the Motor Yacht Department at Berthon. Today we are doing the walkthrough video on NAUTI III, which is an Astondoa 39 and available on the brokerage now. Let's take a look on board. Right guys, here we have it. This is Naury III. She is a 2004 Astondoa 39. Supplied new to the UK, currently in her second ownership. So we just started in the Saloon. We're out on a fairly blustery day in the Saloon here. Over to starboard, you'll see some seating with the dinette. And then just below the TV in the Saloon is a twin pull-out sofa bed, which just pulls out with ease. Just in the cockpit here, I'm just going back to the bathing platform, which is a really large space, actually big enough to put some sun loungers out here or some seating on a nice day at anchorage. Above you'll see 2 speakers in the arch, and just down below there is some snap davits for easy access. It's the water with the tender. Large cockpit space, there is a table and chairs that just store underneath the back seat there. We're just walking onto the side decks up to the foredeck, where you'll find a large sun pad and a hatch down to the master cabin. So there's an electric windlass forward, which is controlled at either the Flybridge or the main helm inside, but also we have controls at the front here if you ever need to ease it up. And obviously large storage for fenders and warps. So the current owner has this rather clever hook system for the fenders, which really neatly store away and easy to drop down when coming into berth. Great handrails. As you come back in, you feel really safe walking along the side of the boat when you're at sea or at anchor. Let's take a look upstairs on the Flybridge. More grab handles and good visibility up here. So we've got a main helm chair and wraparound L seating and another companion chair over to starboard. Raymarine dome radar, horn and satellite for the TV. And here you have a Raymarine RC 530 chart plotter, bow thruster, compass, twin throttles, and of course your steering wheel. Just some extra storage underneath there, but can act as a cool box if needs be. Again, full covers for the whole of the Flybridge in the winter. Just walking back into the Saloon, that was the sofa bed I was talking about over to port. And we just have a quick look over the visibility when you're inside, which is good. Lots of natural light coming in. Headlining still in really good condition. Another RC plotter there, the twin throttles, trim tabs, cruise control, and various rocker switches with the breakers and bow thruster, of course. So we just dropped down 2 steps into the galley. Your rather smart combi microwave there, symmetric hob, sinks, and lots of storage. And there's a large fridge with a freezer compartment just over to my left hand side. Of course, we have a D-hum running at the moment, and there's various bar heaters around. Let's take a look into the accommodation. We start off in the master. You have a full centralised double berth here, again with plenty of storage, plug sockets, and natural light coming in. hanging locker space over to starboard. And then access into your ensuite and your day heads. Again, plenty of headroom in here and actually plenty of space to turn around whilst showering. And then there's access straight out back into the galley or back into the cabin. So over to starboard we have a twin. Plenty of space in here, really comfortable cabin. Again, hanging locker space and overhead storage. You have also access to all the electronics behind the helm. This is your access for your day heads. So NAUTI III is powered by Volvo TAMD 63Ps. They're 370 horsepower a piece. We won't show you now, but there are photographs in the specification. But please do get in touch for further details or reviewing. Many thanks.